As a designer, I take pride in providing design ideas that reflect my clients' tastes and aesthetics, but it's also my responsibility to give them a safe living environment. For this project, installing a healthy floor was key because Nova spends a lot of time hanging out on the floors. We wanted to ensure we used eco-friendly and sustainable products so every family member is healthy and happy. Nowadays, using sustainable wood inside your home should be the standard to strive for because a lot of what is used to construct our indoor environments can emit harmful compounds such as formaldehyde or made using toxic materials. And sometimes they even contain cancer-causing chemicals such as phthalates. Part of my job as a designer is to understand how building materials and flooring are manufactured. I've done my due diligence when it comes to sustainable products, and let me tell you, not all sustainable or eco-friendly products are created the same. As a professional, I always look for reputable third-party certifications. They serve as a way to distinguish between trusted, ethical brands and brands that may use misleading marketing statements. If there are any toxins lurking in a product, I want to know about it. First and foremost, I look for certification that covers indoor air quality and VOC emissions such as Green Guard Gold. Green Guard Gold applies to anything from furniture to paint to flooring. They have the strictest levels of low VOC emissions, and that is the gold standard certification for indoor air quality. Thankfully, I have peace of mind knowing that Craft is deeply committed to environmental responsibility and healthy indoor living.